हिजाब तनाज़े के बीच कर्नाटका के स्कूलों में भगवद गीता को पढ़ाने के इशारे को देखने को मिले और रियासत के वजीर तालीम बीसी नागेश ने कहा है कि भगवद गीता सिर्फ हिंदुओं के लिए नहीं बल्कि सभी के लिए है, जिसको पढ़ने से बच्चों के नैतिक तालीम में इजाफा होगा। हालांकि इसके लिए उन्होंने दानिश्वरों की एक टीम भी बनाकर इस पर गौर खौज करने की बात कही। इस बयान के अगले दिन कांग्रेस ने बीजेपी पर मजहब की सियासत करने का इल्जाम लगाया। ऑपोजिशन का कहना है कि रियासत में एक के बाद एक हार से परेशान बीजेपी कुछ महीनों से मजहबी मुद्दे तलाश कर रही है। इसके लिए उसने पहले हिजाब का मुद्दा उछाला और अब गीता के सहारे हुकूमत हासिल करने की नाकाम कोशिश कर रही है। एमबी पाटिल ने कहा कि गीता से यकीनन बच्चों के जहन पर अच्छा असर पड़ेगा, लेकिन यही काम बाइबल और कुरान भी कर सकते हैं। तो क्यों ना सभी मजाहिब की किताबों की बातों को यहाँ जगह दी जाए, जिससे मुल्क के आइन पर चलने का रास्ता भी हमवार हो जाए।
Sanskrit has been taught in many of the universities. So, Bhagavad Gita is not only for Hindus. All such things is for all. So, if expert says that Bhagavad Gita is there, it should be introduced, definitely it will be introduced.
From next year, sir? Not
from next year. First, I clarified that we have to decide whether moral science has to be introduced. If we decide that it has to be introduced, then an expert committee will be formulated. Expert committee will say what should be the subject in the moral science. Then we have to decide.
Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, these are all we respect, and that is our identity. See, the question of using them politically is not good. See, when you go to a hotel also, there will be a Bible, there will be a Quran, and there will be a, so any five-star hotel go, any worldwide, you will have Bhagavad Gita, and then Quran, then Bible there. So, see, this is the way these people are going is, see, we are all Hindus. So, see, we respect Bhagavad Gita, and we also have to respect the Bible and Quran, etc. But the intention, their intention is to bring this for their means, political means is bad.
Why you want to create communal tension in the schools and colleges? Why you want to saffronize education? You are creating problems in schools and colleges from last 2-3 months. First you started hijab, which was there for many years. In the no government, this problem was there. From last 6 months, they have been losing elections. They lost Hangal by-election. They lost MLC elections. They lost urban local body elections. So to attend the diversion of the people, the failure of the government, the corruption in the government, for that they just want to divert the attention and create tension. So they are doing all kinds of these things. But the people of Karnataka knows these things. And the writing on the wall is there. Next year, elections are there. The people want to change. They are fed up with this government. The price rise, the corruption, ineffective government, useless administration. So they have come to conclusion, the people have come to conclusion that we need Congress government in Karnataka back. So that is the message they have got. That is the intelligence report they have got. So they just want to create confusion. They want to create tension. They want that there be some discussion on all this issue, and they want to saffronize the education.
बच्चों को हर कल्चर अवगत कराना ज़रूरी है। अब जहाँ तक गीता का सवाल है, पढ़ा सकते हैं जो गीता में श्रद्धा रखते हैं। आप मॉरल साइंस में गीता को इंट्रोड्यूस करा के एक मजहबी किताब है, इट इज़ ए रिलीजियस बुक है। वो रिलीजियस बुक को आप हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में फोर्स नहीं कर सकते कि दूसरों रिलीजियंस को उसको पढ़ना है। आप जैसा कि आज भी है कि क्रिश्चियन स्कूल्स में क्रिश्चियंस को उनका मॉरल साइंस में बाइबल पढ़ाया जाता है। आप जैसे आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं मगर कंपलसरी बना नहीं सकते।
Nothing wrong in reading scriptures, whether it is any religion, as long as you learn something good from them. And I think it is time, first the BJP learns a lot from what is written in Bhagavad Gita and other scriptures as well, number one. Number two, when most importantly during the last 3 waves have affected the children's education extremely well. People, the students have not understood concepts. We have just promoted them to the higher classes. So it's time that they have bridge classes to understand the concepts so that they can do better for this academic year and the academic year in the future. And more importantly, the most important point is that we have always seen that whenever BJP governments have come, they like to throttle scientific temperament in the society. They are not for science. They are not for scientific temperament.